Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name's Man, and I'm so glad you guys are here today. We're going to be chatting about the top 5 NFT blockchain play-to-earn games of 2022. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into it. To kickstart the video, we've got number 5, Infinity Skies. Infinity Skies is a play-to-earn blockchain game based on the Polygon network. Now, this game has a lot of things that are incredibly unique to it. It has 2 different game modes, one being adventure and one being building mode, which you can see here. This is the building mode. The adventure mode, however, works as a stepping stone into the building game mode. In the adventure mode, you actually play the game and you earn NFTs by exploring the dungeons, killing monsters, and unlocking and retrieving items. These items, which you earn from the adventure mode, are actually NFTs, which can be used in the building mode. Everything that you see here is an NFT for the most part, except for the walls. And you use the NFTs to make your own buildings, your own castles, and make your kingdom the best. The game has lots of ways that they give back to their players and their supporters. They have weekly competitions through building competitions. They have staking on their website. They also have a small percentage of their weekly fees, which go back to the iSky holders. iSky is their native token, and I personally believe that this will be a very successful game in 2020. There are just so many things about it which make it unique, and there aren't many games which have such an expansive ecosystem ready. They're going to have a full-on marketplace. They're going to have so many different things and use cases for their NFTs and their native token. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys get onto Infinity Skies, and hopefully we see it take off in 2022. Moving on to number 4 in the video, we've got Axie Infinity's Lunacia expansion. So in the new Axie update, we're going to be seeing their new battle system, their version 2 rehaul of everything, and it's just going to be super exciting. We're also going to be seeing land in their new update. There's just so many things to look forward here. If they are able to somehow fix the Axie economy, it's going to be brilliant. We know that they're introducing a new token, so that might help fix something there. But we're just going to eagerly wait and see what Axie Infinity has planned for us. And I really hope you guys are excited. Axie Infinity version 2 is going to be huge. There's going to be so much adoption by players, and just can't wait to see it. Moving on to number 3, we've got Mirandus. Now, Mirandus is a massive multiplayer online role-playing game. It has a number of different races, including humans, orcs, elves, which all have different stats and all have different abilities and traits about them. The developers' goal for the game was to stimulate a real-world economy where players will own towns, buildings, shops, temples, and whatever else they might be able to fit in, churches, everything. And their goal is to have real player digital ownership of these towns, and we'll be able to earn through those shops. So players who own shops will be able to earn their token NFTs through their shops. And then if players don't want to go that route, they can also play the adventure modes and kill monsters, complete quests, and earn NFT drops that way, and whatever other rewards that they might have in their game. Guys, this is going to be huge in 2022. There's no doubt Gala Games is an amazing studio, so hopefully we see something really soon from these guys. It's going to be amazing. Moving on to number 2 in this video, we've got Guild of Guardians. Now, this game looks amazing, and I hope you guys are excited for this one. It is an NFT blockchain game based on the Ethereum network. Luckily for us, it is actually been added to Immutable X, which is a layer 2 protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain, which actually allows for free instant trades for us. How awesome is that? Seriously, that's going to be massive. The game is also going to be completely mobile based, so lots of people will be able to get in onto this game. There won't be a large barrier for entry like PC gaming. The game is also going to have users building and playing with their NFT characters in dungeons, which you'll be able to earn cryptocurrency and NFTs by playing. You'll also be able to earn resources which can be crafted to make other NFT items sellable in the in-game shop. One of the things that gets me excited about this game is actually the the guild system that they're going to have in place. So you'll be able to play with friends, explore dungeons, and earn cryptocurrency and NFTs together. And if that doesn't excite you, I don't know what will. Guys, moving on to the last mention in this list, we've got Illuvium at the #1 spot. So Illuvium is an open world Pokemon-inspired RPG game built on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, in this game, you actually journey across a vast and open landscape on the quest to hunt and capture creatures known as Illuvials, which are the Pokemon-type creatures in this game. Now, these Illuvium creatures will actually be able to battle against other players in order to earn real cryptocurrency, which you can exchange for real money on exchanges. So it's really exciting how this game looks. Like, the artwork is incredible. The developers have worked on titles such as BioShock and Batman Arkham Knight. And as well as this, their team is actually based in Australia, which is unreal because we love the local talent here, don't we, fellas? Go you Aussies. Now, also similar to Guild of Guardians, they're actually based on the Immutable X protocol. So this means we're going to have low fees, we're going to have low trading times, which is just going to make this game all the more better. Just overall, super excited about this game and cannot wait to see it happen in early 2022. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Let me know what you enjoyed about the video. Let me know if you're going to invest in some of these games, if you're going to play them. Let me know what you're going to do. All right, and that's me out. Guys, have a great day. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.